Alright there, let's go to Sydney.
Alright, welcome back to another vlog. So today we are on the train right now and we are about to head off to Sydney to the New Year's Eve fireworks.
I only have to do it for one day of the year.
We're the only ones on the train, I think.
Our own private train.
Yeah, we hired a train.
Hired a train. Special deal.
Definitely.
The pastor's behind you.
So you have vlogger, right?
Ian's behind you.
You blog. You got a website.
Vlog. V-L-O-G.
What's a vlog?
So it's a video blog.
Video blog.
It's the same
Vlog.
thing, but it's
See,
just a
vlog.
video.
So you got a website and you have vlogs.
Well, it's YouTube.
Well, you find a channel then.
Hmm?
You have a YouTube channel where you have vlogs on it.
Yeah.
Right? I'll dig them out.
I'm getting this all over video too. We're back. Fireworks. I love how they get bigger every time they explode. This video is good enough. Oh yeah, there we go with the marriage quality. Oh, here we go. I think that looks really cool. It does. They're like going all different ways. Yeah. It looks kind of like a Vincent van Gogh painting. What are they counting down or something? Oh my gosh. That is aesthetic ass. Dude. Take a photo already. Oh yeah. The amount of photos we have to go through. It's gonna kill me. Chasing relentlessly, still finding I don't know why. That was a perfect shot. Oh my gosh. You literally cannot see half the bridge. That's pollution for you guys. Sorry, ignore the amount of flashes that are going off.
You know the greatest thing, Haley, that you can do?
Yeah.
What I do every day, I listen to the Word of God. Every day.
Like a podcast?
Every day. No, just the Word of God. Every day, the Bible.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Every day.
Definitely.
You know how to hear God? Jesus said, let your yes be yes and no be no. When you talk to me, he says, take every thought captive. And you say, Lord, is this you? And you'll hear, yes, no. That's how he answers you. And that's how you learn to listen to his word. He keeps it really simple for us. Did you know that?
Sometimes.
No, he keeps it simple.
I feel like sometimes he likes to play around with it.
Sometimes it's not yes or no, it's wait.
Absolutely. I've got an indefinite wait.
It doesn't happen right away.
I got a
He
definite
only uses yes and no.
Oh, I definitely had a
Jesus
wait.
said anything other than that is from the evil one. And the reason why that is because he knew what happened. Trust me. Heaven's real.
Doors closing. Please stand clear.
You know why that is?
My heaven's real. I mean, I believe it, but
Do you believe? Where do you think it is?
not necessarily up there, but it's just like in creation.
Straight away, we always point it up.
Alright, tell me. I feel like
You know where Pallades is? Orion's belt? You like the big fry pan on top? That's right there. If you drew a line straight behind that, that's where heaven lies.
Why do you think that is?
Yeah.
Yeah? And how do you know that?
How did I do that? I died in 2008 on heart stop. That's weird. Yeah. True story.
You got realizing really quickly.
I died. I died, and I spent time.
Conversation.
And I spent time in heaven. And when I say to people, I say heaven's real, they just go. Heaven is real. Heaven is as real as looking down here. You glow like you have your arms, your legs, and that, but you don't have you have your body, but it's hard to explain. No flesh.
I mean, you get the answer to that.
That's true.
I just don't know when it stopped.
Yeah. Hey, God's real.
What took you to that point where you died with a heart attack?
I took a tablet when I hurt my back, and it was a drug called Vioxx, and it blocked your artery, and then it blocked my artery, and I died. So, greatest experience of my life.
Got everyone on with Dean.
Smelly person, Steve.
So leave me alone, don't speak to me.
Good, dude.
The Dean. And then you can
that
even like put the
usually
that.
whenever.
Hey guys, sorry I couldn't do the outro, but my GoPro died and I didn't notice. So as soon as we got home, I didn't have time to do the outro, of course, because it was like 2 o'clock, man. So it's now 3:30 in the afternoon. So yeah, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, go down and drop a like. Comment down below what you think I should do for my next video, and smash that subscribe button, smack it in the face. Oh, and we need a community name, you know, like people have like, you know, like Logan Paul has like the Logang, and like Jake Paul has the Jake Pauls, but like we need our own community name. Now I was thinking of like Cross Clan or like Cross Crew or something, but like if you like any of those names, go down and tell me below. But if you have a different name, then comment it below as well. I will see you tomorrow.